Here we are, together again in Costerville. Costerville is the capital of the artichokes. The artichoke people are here, including me, driving through this town, this peaceful town I like to call the home of the artichoke. Artichokes are great. I love to eat them, even though sometimes they choke me in an artfully manner. Here we are at some of the trees and shrubbery that surround the city. There are cars everywhere going back and forth. And here we are in the famous steak place where I would eat meat and briskets. And then I will walk across with the American flag with me across to the greenhouse over there and stay there until I am rested from my travels and travails of this life. Thank you very much, Carlos.